Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone is feeling amazing today because today is going to be a great day. I am your host, Johnny Caruso, and if you are new to this channel and you have never seen my content, I would like to welcome you personally to National Attraction, which is the place where you will find cinematography, creativity, and motivation. And I hope that I can inspire you to become more creative and more intuitive. Okay, that is my whole purpose for this channel. But without further ado, I would like to send off a message to you today about everything that's going on in the world. And I want you to know everything's going to be fine, guys. Okay? We all have this coronavirus thing where we're all in quarantine, and things are looking really tough at the moment. But I will tell you something, okay? Because I've experienced struggle and I've been through the ringer, I know firsthand that stuff like this can be overcame. And I know that everybody has the potential to overcome something that's bigger than them sometimes. But I really want to just bring this message to you today that if you are sitting home in quarantine, okay, and you're binge watching Netflix, I want you to get off the couch, okay? Get off the couch, and I want you to start thinking about you for a minute. And I want you to start thinking about all of the goals that you may have had in the past that you put behind, okay, that you've left in the dust. And I want you to start thinking about those things, and I want you to start acting on them, okay? If you need a little bit of therapy, right, find a little hobby that you can do that takes you away from watching TV all day or just being bored in the house. Just find a hobby or something that you like to do, okay, and start doing it now. Because I want you to think about something real quick. When this is all over, we're going through the battle right now, right? But when this is over, it's still not going to be over. Life as we know it at the moment, okay, it's going to look much different when this is done. And it's going to be potentially a new world that we haven't experienced yet. All we have to do, though, is adapt, okay? There's going to be changes. We need to adapt to them. But what are you going to do today that's going to make you 110% when you go back out there, when quarantine's all over? What are you going to do? Because that is the whole idea. Guys, you want to feel good every day. If you don't feel good right now, you need to dive into your spirituality, not your religious beliefs, your spirituality. You need to connect again with your soul. You need to heal that thing, okay? And whatever you got to do, if it's working out or anything like that, releasing endorphins obviously is going to be crucial to your chi. But I want you to stop being more optimistic, okay, about your life and where it's going to take you. Because that is my passion, okay, is understanding the ins and the outs, okay, of life, a struggle, okay, of a victory. I need to know the ins and the outs of these things. And so far, I've spent about 10 years, guys, understanding what the true key is. And my journey actually started, surprisingly, with the law of attraction. I was in a very dark place in my life, and I didn't have any skills. I didn't even have the wit. I thought that actually people used to call me stupid all the time. But I knew I had something going. And I didn't know what yet, but I had a feeling that something was going to come out of my darkest moment. And it really did, guys. It really did. Because when you were so sick and tired, okay, of being depressed, or you were sick and tired of people telling you no, or you're sick and tired of people telling you that you're an idiot, okay, I want you to prove them wrong. I want you to get up, right, and prove them wrong. Because you're not. Everyone has a gift. Everybody. And it's about understanding what that gift is that you possess. Because that's how you are going to make an impact on the people that you love, yourself, and potentially others who really need your gift. So I urge you to try and figure out what that thing is, right? And what puts you on a higher plane of existence when you do it. And for me, I'll just give you a quick example. I've tried many different creative things because, about 4 or 5 years ago, I discovered, because I was always trying new things, and I picked up a couple hobbies, and I discovered that I had a creative ability that I didn't understand that I had. But it all ties in to everything that I do, okay? And that creative ability was to edit, right? And do creative content. But more so than that, I really wanted to get into the realm of film. And the reason why I wanted to get into that realm was because film, one thing I've always wanted to do, okay? And I really couldn't put the pieces together as to what I could do that would actually bring this effect that I wanted to give people, but I always wanted to visually show somebody how I see the world in an angle that they may not see. And just like that, the angle, something snapped in my head that said, cinematography, get into it. So my girlfriend, which I love to death, this girl is absolutely amazing. She's stood by me 100%, okay? Throughout all my crazy ideas. But she was the first person to buy me a camera. And I kid you not, I've spent 2 years almost every single day with that camera. And the first shots that I've ever took sucked. I'm not gonna lie, they sucked. But I am so impressed with the way that life, kind of throws you a curveball and says, hey, do you get it now? Look at the quality and the content because of all the hard work and dedication that you've put into this one thing. It's improved. Every day, it gets better and better. So that is what I wanted to bring to you today. I want you to find something that can really make you wake up in the morning and just love life, because that's what it's all about. It's not about all this fear mongering, okay, and being afraid to go around every turn. Just be fearless. Be fearless, and don't put up with the same crap that you've been putting up with. Just go out there and get it, guys. Do something. But without further ado, that was my message for you today. I hope this has inspired you. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Just because I want you to be informed every time I make a new video, which is going to be often. So as soon as I make a video, you guys will be informed, okay? But take care, guys. I hope you have a great day. And remember, you are the national attraction.